Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Marilyn. As you guys can tell from the title, I'll be showing you exactly how to perfectly straighten your wig. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, this bone straight hair look, keep on watching. I'll be sharing my tips, tricks, and everything that I use. The hair I'll be using is from my brand Mazic Beauty. Feel free to check the description box down below if you want to purchase this exact unit. All our wigs come styled, as well as the unit in the back. So I'll be using this iron silk therapy. I like to use it to get the wig to be shiny. It's like my go-to moisturizer when I'm like styling. So I use it to straighten, curl, whatever. So I apply that generously all over the hair, and then I like to comb it through so there's no tangle. This hair is 100% tangle free, by the way. As you guys can see, it combs easily. So I just comb it through. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. So I went ahead to pluck the closure a little bit. I just did a little bit of plucking. If you want a full video on how I pluck, let me know in the comment down below. And I like to use this hot comb as well as a wax stick. I would link all the products down for you, so don't worry. And then I just apply the wax stick. You just want to kind of rub it gently. You don't want to go too much into it because your hair is going to be stiff. So you just want to apply, like, really gently apply the wax stick on the hair and use the hot comb to press the hair, because the last thing you want is to have a bulky top. So you want to use the hot comb to press it and get it all flat, so the top of the hair is very flat. So I do this right after plucking. I just like style the top of the hair before I start straightening the wig. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. So for the straightener, I'll be using this Kiposi straightener. I've been using this for a hot minute now, but if you have any other straightener that is good, it would work. So I proceeded to sectioning the hair from the back. I like to section the hair into two parts, and I like to work in sections. So you just want to use a hair tie to put one section aside while you work on the other side, just so the hair is not all over the place. And then to straighten the hair, I like to take two wefts at a time. So I'll take two wefts down, straighten, take two more wefts down, and that's the way I like to do it. It's easier for me, and I'm not working in huge sections doing it like that. So I just set the other hair aside, and then I comb through the section that I have made. Oh, by the way, wear your gloves so that you don't burn yourself. And then I like using the heat resistant comb, and you just want to like comb the hair and then use your straightener to pass it through. I usually do like 3 to 4 passes depending. So you just want to straighten it and comb it, straighten it, comb it, and that's it. I pretty much repeat this same process all throughout the hair. So keep on watching, enjoy the music, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. You act so cool, but underneath you seem fake. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might
intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love. Let yourself.
So when I get to the top section of the hair, I did most of it off camera. So you just want to do the exact same thing, taking it like in little parts, like just taking maybe one weft, two wefts at a time, sectioning it out, and then combing it through. And then sometimes I proceed to add in the wax stick. Gently just add, like, you know, you just want to tame the flyaways. So if you see flyaways, just use the wax stick on those flyaways. It will tame it down. And then I use the hot comb to press on it while I then proceed with the hair straightener. So that's the only difference with the top portion of the wig, is that I do go in with the hot comb, as you guys will see very shortly. So the wax stick, the hot comb, and the straightener, and that would just help give the top section, make the top section very flat. So that's what you want to do to get that sleek bone straight look.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Jump to rise, not fall, you flying higher. You jump to fly, higher. Open up to spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall, you flying higher. You jump to fly, higher. Standing on the edge while you're looking down, fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies, won't ya? Standing on the edge while you're looking down, fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies. To yourself, to there. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love.
What can I tell you? What can I do for you to tell me that you're into me too? Could be a safe ride, your place too high. So come and tell me that you're feeling it too. Everything has changed, dreaming about your face.
And this is what the hair is looking like. I only have that little piece left, so I'm just going to do that off camera and come back to show you the finished result. And this is it, you guys. This is the final result. It is really, really sleek. This is how I achieved the perfect straight hair. So if you want to know how to straighten your hair, especially when you wash your wig is not going to come out looking like this, so you're going to have to style it again. But like I said, our wigs do ship ready to wear. So exactly the way you're seeing it right now, all styled, not bleached, washed, and styled for you, straightened if it's a straight wig you purchased. This is how you would get your package. But feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it helps you achieve your bone straight look. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.